Hey, Dustin here with Dustin's Mechanical. Today I'm just talking about your indoor air quality and some of the different filter options that you'll find in homes and some of the options that we can upgrade to. So most homes you'll find is just a basic 1-inch pleated filter. This takes out your heavy solids, so like pet dander, pet hair, just big chunks of anything that'll go through. This will clog up. You can probably let that go about 2-3 months before you have to replace it. Eventually that'll clog up and the air stops flowing through it, which is most of the service calls that we'll get from people. If you were to upgrade from that in a simple form, you could go to what we call a pleated media filter, which you see if the thickness of that compared to the 1-inch one here, you get 4 inches. But the big thing is instead of it being a flat surface, you'll take this flat surface and they fold it into pleats back and forth, which gives you a lot more surface area. So if you wanted to take the most amount of particles out of your air for the longest amount of time, this is your best option here. So if you're that person that forgets about their filter for 6 months at a time, this is probably something you're going to have to upgrade from this, so you don't have to do it all the time. If you wanted to take it one step further, we have this is an electronic air purifier or cleaner. What this does is this is a electromagnetic field that basically charges the dust particles as they come through, and it'll actually work like a magnet and it'll suck it right to it. So on most filters, as the air comes around, if there's a gap, the air will go around the filter and it'll catch the middle stuff right through there. Something like this, what happens is that magnetic field would actually pull everything that's trying to go around to it. So it kind of like sticks it to it, like be kind of like a sticky paper. This one here is probably your best option if you wanted to take the most dust out of your house. So like if you have glass tables and you notice like hardwood floors that are dark, you see a lot of dust particles, this is the option for taking most of that out of the air. So if any one of these options or solutions is something that you're interested in, give us a call here at dustinsmechanical.com. We'd be happy to help you.